he addresses the challenges of adversity. What is the lesson in some of the adversity that people face?
Well, what he says is that when something bad happens, it's normally a blessing in disguise. And if you, the listener, think about the crappy things that happened to you in your life, I will guarantee you that something good happened. You know, it's the optimist in the barn full of horse manure keeps digging because he knows there's got to be a pony around here someplace. And that's what Napoleon Hill says is dissect the things that have happened wrong and come up with something that made it better. What did you learn from this? Not lament, oh, woe is me, if it wasn't for bad luck, I wouldn't have any luck. No, it's like, don't do that anymore, and here's what you can do.
Right.
One of the most interesting things about the book itself, Truthful Living, is that as I read it and as I annotated, or I took all the sales stuff out and I just left the Napoleon Hill personal development stuff, but the lessons became obvious. He just didn't end them. So I added the ending of how to put this into your life in the 21st century, and that is helpful because sometimes when you're reading 1917 words, you don't always get the lexicon. So I try to annotate it a little bit, but I didn't change one of Hill's words. The only thing I added were commas because he was like a non-comma person. So instead of having run-on sentences, we added a little bit of grammar to be able to make it more readable. And I took each chapter and wrote an introduction so you know what it's about, annotated a little in the middle, and then put a lesson plan at the end of it. And it just worked.